Hi guys, it's Sandy here and welcome back to my channel. I have another fun video to share with you. It's another cute little mini 3x3 mini flipbook album with 2 pockets. I did do a video with a tutorial of a 3x3 mini flipbook with the 1 pocket, which was this one here, and I'll put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look at how I made this 3x3 flipbook. So this one here, when you open it up, you have the page, you have another page, and then you have your pocket at the back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a similar one like this, but with 2 pockets, and also it has a cover as well. So the actual album is a 3x3, but I made the cover just slightly a little bit bigger, so it measures 3¼ inch by 3 inches. And I'll also show you how you could have other options on how you can have your 3x3 flipbook without the cover as well. So this is how it looks like, and so you open it up. I've got here a page with an envelope, and this is just an embellished page, and this is where the pocket is. So I've got in here a embellished tag that I'd made, and then you turn the page and that's the same pocket where I've put some more tags in here, and I've just kept them together with a brad, and I thought that looks nice like that. So that goes in there, and this is just another embellished page with some vellum. This is the second pocket. I've got in this pocket a mini file folder that I made using the Wee Memory Keepers mini envelope punch board, and I've just got in there again just some more embellishments that I use my paper punch, and that goes in that pocket. And this is just another embellished page, and then you turn that over. That's the same pocket with some washi sample. I always like to add washi sample in the flipbooks as well, and that's just some ephemera that I embellished. And this is another pocket with some goodies in here, and I used a parchment paper or baking paper to create this goodie bag, because I can't find any glassine bags here in Australia, so I've just made it out of baking paper. So that's how it looks like. So I'm going to show you how to make this flipbook, which is similar to this. It just has the cover as well. Okay, so what you need, you'll need a piece of paper that you need to cut at 3 inches by 12 inches. You'll also need to cut another piece for your cover. If you wanted to make the cover, you don't have to, but I'll show you how to make it with the cover. So you'll need to cut that piece at 3 inches by 7½ inches. So what we'll do first, we'll make the booklet insert first. So you'll need to score it first. On your 12-inch side, you're going to score it at every 3 inches. So 3 inches, 6 inches, and 9 inches. And then for your cover, you're going to line it at the 7½ inch side, and you're going to score it at 3¼ inch, 3¾ inch, and 4¼ inch. So we'll put that to the side first. We'll go ahead and we'll make the 2 pocket insert first. So what we'll do here, so if you're using double-sided paper or whatever side you want as your cover, you're going to have that facing up. And then on the 6-inch score line, you're just going to simply fold that in half, just like that. And then we're going to fold this back, fold this back on itself, just like that. And then this part here, you're going to fold that back. Now this is the part where I was just going to say where you can just have it as is without the cover. And so with this one here, if you look, it opens up like that. You get another page and your pocket. Now with this side here, you will get a page, your pocket, and then your page at the back. So that's the difference. So what we'll do here, if you don't want to have the cover, you're just going to open this up, and you're going to apply glue to that side and glue to the bottom, and then you just bring it together and seal that up, and that will create a pocket. So when you open, you have that, you'll have your pocket and that side, and that just creates your 3x3 mini flipbook, just like that. but we're going to make it with the cover, so we won't be doing any gluing just yet. So we'll put that to the side. We'll grab the cover, and then what we'll do with the cover again, whichever is your front cover, we're going to fold that in half. So your front cover faces up. We're going to fold that in half at that middle score line, which should have been your 3 3/4. You'll have another score line here. We're just going to fold that back, and then this side here we're going to fold that back onto the 4 1/4 score line. So you'll create like a W shape. We're going to turn it over, and in that valley fold we're going to apply some liquid glue. You've probably seen a few of my videos where I do use this kind of a flip book to make for my pages, and so you just sandwich that together, and that creates a little flap for your binding for your pages. Alright, so then we are going to grab some double-sided tape, and we're just going to stick that to one side of your flap, just in the middle, not along your fold line or score line. So we'll just adhere that to the middle, and we're going to just peel them off. Alright, so I'm just going to make sure, so that will be my cover. Now with this part here, what we're going to do here, we're going to bring these two side panels in. Oh, actually before you do that, if you wanted to make your notch as your thumb notch like I have here, we'll do that first. You're going to do that on your two inside panels, so you're going to punch here and punch here. And then once you've done that, we're going to apply glue to this panel here at the bottom, just at the bottom here. So we'll apply glue to your far right panel. We're going to apply glue there. We'll grab this cover. We're going to line it at the first flap, just below your fold line where we scored, so that should stick onto that. And then we're just going to bring this part here, we're going to bring that over and fold that down to the other side of where we did the flap, and then that part that we put some glue, we're just going to seal that off, just like that. So you'll have it like that, and that should be glued onto that middle flap that we've had, and that'd be like that, and that creates that top pocket up here. So we've done that page, and all we've got to do here now is we're going to just bring that over. We're going to apply glue to this bottom panel and to the side here. So we'll go and do that, just a little bit of glue or double-sided tape if you like, and just up along here, and then we'll bring that over, and that will create your middle pocket. And that's all there is to it, to that little cute little mini album. So you'll open that up, I'll just use this one. When you open it up, you'll get that pocket, which is that pocket, and then you'll turn that over, you'll have your double page, and then you'll have your other pocket up here, which is this pocket there, and then you turn that over, and that's your last page. And that's all there is to it. If you wanted to use the cover, if you don't want to use the cover, you can just skip that part, and then you've still got your little mini booklet like this without the cover. So I hope that wasn't confusing for you, and if you do decide to give this a go and you are a follower of mine on Instagram, I'd love to see how you've made yours, and then just hashtag Septeria18, or you can tag me as well, and I would love to see how you made yours. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.